Hello student, all of you are welcome to this lecture for numerical methods. In last lecture, we have proved the formula for Newton's forward interpolation formula. That is, the formula is yn of x is equal to y0 plus p into del y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial del square y0 plus p into p minus 1 up to p minus n minus 1 upon n factorial into del raised to n y0, where these values of y0, y1, y2, yn are obtained from the given set of n plus 1 values of x. If we have a function y is equal to f of x, then for n plus 1 values of x, namely x0, x1, x2 up to xn, we will get the corresponding values of y, namely y0, y1 up to yn. From these values, we construct a forward difference table, and from that table, we easily guess the values of del y0, del square y0 to del raised to n y0. And if we use that values in this formula, then this gives Newton's forward interpolation formula. Now we see what is Newton's backward interpolation formula. Usually, this formula is used to find the value of y at the beginning of the forward difference table. Now we see what is Newton's backward interpolation formula. Again we have a function y is equal to f of x. Hence, for given n plus 1 values of x, suppose that values of are x0, x1, x2, xn. If we use x is equal to x0, we get value of y as y0. For x is equal to x1, f of x1 is y1, f of x2 is y2, f of xn is yn. Where these values of x are equally spaced, means in general xi plus 1 is equal to xi plus h, where h is the difference between any two conjugative values of x. For I is equal to 0 to n, for 0 less than or equal to I, less than or equal to n, we obtain the values of x by using this formula. Consider a polynomial yn of x a0 plus a1 into x minus xn plus a2 into x minus xn, x minus xn minus 1 up to an into x minus xn, x minus xn minus 1, x minus x1 0. Suppose this is equation number first. Now we will use the values of x as xn, xn minus 1, then we put x is equal to xn minus 2 and so on in this equation number first, so that we can determine all the coefficients of this polynomial, which are a0, a1, a2 up to an. This polynomial is taken in such a way that the value of yn of x and y of x agrees at the Newton's backward difference table. Put x is equal to xn in equation number first. Hence, yn of xn, we are using x is equal to xn, hence the left side is yn of xn. But we know yn of x and y of x takes same values in the backward difference table. Hence, we also write this yn of xn as y of xn. And we know y of xn is yn. Right side is a0 plus we are using x is equal to xn, hence this term will be 0. If we put x is equal to xn, this term is 0. This is also 0. xn minus xn is the difference is 0. Last term also gives value 0. Hence, equation first gives the value of a0. Yn of xn is yn is equal to a0. This is what the value of constant coefficient. Now we put x is equal to xn minus 1 in equation number first. This is what the equation number 1 we are using. X is equal to xn minus 1. Hence left side is yn of xn minus 1 is equal to a0 is same plus a1 into put x is equal to xn minus 1 only. Xn minus 1 minus this term is xn plus as the next terms contains the term x minus xn minus 1. If we use x is equal to xn minus 1, then the third term and the terms next to the third term of this polynomial will goes to 0. Hence, after this substitution, we use the value of a0 as yn from the above step. Yn of xn minus 1 is y of xn minus 1. Y of xn minus 1 is yn minus 1. Hence, yn minus 1 is equal to a0 value is yn plus a1 into xn minus 1 minus xn. See, xi plus 1 equal to xi plus h for 0 less equal I less equal n. Here we require the difference xn minus 1 minus xn. But we have from this formula xn minus 1 is equal to h. What we require? We require the value of xn minus 1 minus xn. Hence, xn minus 1 minus xn is equal to minus h. By multiplying both sides by minus 1, we use this value in this step. Yn minus 1 equal to yn plus a1 into this value is minus h. That is yn minus 1 minus yn is equal to minus a1 into h. See, again the value of yn minus 1 minus yn. What is this value? If we multiply this equation by minus 1, then we get yn minus 1 is equal to a1 into h. We know the backward difference formula for del yn is equal to yn minus 1. Because of what? Del f of xn is equal to f of xn minus f of xn minus 1. Xn is y, f of xn is yn, f of xn is yn, and f of xn minus 1 is yn minus 1. Hence, from this equation, if we use yn minus 1 minus yn minus yn minus 1 is equal to del yn, then we will write here where del yn is equal to yn minus yn minus 1. Hence, this gives del yn is equal to a1h. Hence, a1 is equal to del yn upon h. This is the value of second constant of the polynomial yn x. To get the next constant, we put x is equal to xn minus 2. In the equation number first, put x is equal to xn minus 2 in equation number 1. The left side is yn of xn minus 2 is equal to a0 plus a1 into xn minus 2 minus xn plus a2 into xn minus 2 minus xn into xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1 plus see, after third term of this polynomial, all the terms contains the bracket x minus xn minus 2. If we put x is equal to xn minus 2 in this polynomial, then after fourth term of this polynomial, all the terms are 0. Hence, yn of xn minus 2 is nothing but y of xn minus 2, and y of xn minus 2 is yn minus 2. Yn minus 2 is equal to a0. What is the value of a0? a0 is yn plus a1 value. We will use the value of a1 in next step. a1 into xn minus 2 minus xn plus a2 into xn minus 2 minus xn into xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1. See, the values of xi plus 1 are xi plus h. We want these differences xn minus 2 minus xn minus 2 minus xn can be written as xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1 plus xn minus 1 minus xn. That is, if we take negative sign common from these equations, what we get? Minus xn minus 1 minus xn minus 2 minus again xn minus xn minus 1. This value is minus h which is minus 2h. Hence the difference xn minus 2 minus xn is minus 2h. Or in other way also we find that value. Since all the values of x are equally spaced, if this is the value of xn minus 2, after that we will get xn minus 1, then xn. This difference is h. Also this difference is h. Hence the difference between xn minus 2 and xn is 2h. But we are taking the subtraction in this way, xn minus 2 minus xn, hence the difference is minus 2h. Using xn minus 2 minus xn is equal to minus 2h. In the next term, we require xn minus 2 minus xn, that is what, minus 2h. Also xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1 is equal to xn minus 1 is the term obtained in next step to the term of xn minus 2. Therefore, the difference is xn minus 1 minus xn minus 2 is plus h. If we multiply that equation by negative sign, then we get xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1 is minus h. Using both the values in the last equation, we obtain the value of yn minus 2. Yn minus 2. Suppose this yn is on left side, okay, is equal to yn. If we consider this yn on left side, then it will be minus yn is equal to value of a1 is del yn upon h. What is del yn? Del yn is yn minus 1. Yn minus yn minus 1. We are only using the value of a1. Value of a1 is del yn. But what is del yn? Del yn is yn minus 1 upon h is same. Xn minus 2 minus xn is the difference minus 2h into minus 2h plus we calculate the value of a2 in next step. Xn minus 2 minus xn is minus 2h and xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1 is minus h. In the first term of the right side, h is cancelled. Yn minus 2 minus yn is equal to what remains? Minus 2 into yn plus 2 into yn minus 1 plus minus 2h into minus h will be plus 2h square into a2 plus 2 a2h square. Consider this term, first two terms of right side towards left side, we get yn minus 2 minus yn minus minus plus 2yn. Next term will be minus 2yn minus 1 equal to 2a2h square. This calculation is yn minus 2 minus yn plus 2yn will be plus yn minus 2yn minus 1 is equal to 2a2h square. We arrange these terms in the way yn minus 2yn minus 1 plus yn minus 2 is equal to 2a2h square. We want the values of coefficients of this equation number 1. Initially we got the value of a0 as yn. In this step we got the value of a1 as del yn upon h. Now we are getting the value of a2. For that, this left side is what? Left side is del square yn. What is del square yn? Del yn is what? Yn minus yn minus 1. Del square yn is del yn minus del yn minus 1. This del yn is yn minus 1 minus del yn minus 1 is, by definition of backward difference operator, this is yn minus 1 minus yn minus 2. After calculating these terms, we get second order backward difference at the point yn is yn minus 2yn minus 1 plus yn minus 2. So the value of yn minus 2 yn minus 1 plus yn minus 2 is del square yn is equal to 2a2h square. We want the value of a2, hence the value of a2 is given as, I am writing that value here because we require the equation number first. Value of a2 is del square yn upon 2h square. This 2h square can be written as del square yn upon 2 factorial into h square. In the same way, after substitution of x is equal to, we get the value of xn. After substituting x is equal to x1, we get the value of an as an is equal to del raised to n yn upon n factorial into h raised to n. Using the values of all the constants, namely a0, a1, a2 up to an, in equation number 1, we get backward interpolation formula. Using values of a0, a1, an in equation number 1, we get yn of x is equal to a0 value was yn plus this term is a1 into x minus xn. The value of a1 is del yn upon h. This is the value of a1 plus del yn upon h into x minus xn plus the value of a2 is del square yn upon 2 factorial into h square into x minus xn into x minus xn minus 1 plus the last term is del raised to n yn, because an value is del raised to n into yn upon n factorial h raised to n into product of n brackets an into x minus xn minus 1 into x minus x1. The value of an is this. Again, if we have a substitution, put xn is equal to xn plus ph. In this expression, if we use the value of x is equal to xn plus ph, then this gives x minus xn is equal to ph. In second term of this polynomial, x minus xn is there, its value is ph. In the next term, we require two values, x minus xn, which is value ph, and also we require x minus xn minus 1. What is x? X minus xn minus 1 is equal to x minus xn plus xn minus xn minus 1. First bracket has value ph plus xn minus 1 value is h, because xi plus 1 is equal to xi plus h plus h. Hence, value of x minus xn minus 1 is equal to p plus 1 into h. Similarly, we get the value of x minus xn minus 2. X minus xn minus 2 is equal to c. Value of x minus xn is ph. Value of x minus xn minus 1 is p plus 1 into h. Therefore, x minus xn minus 2 will be p plus 2 into h. In general, x minus x1 is equal to p plus n minus 1 into h. Using all these values, suppose this is equation number 2. Therefore, from equation number 2, we get yn of x equal to yn plus del yn upon h into value of x minus xn is ph del square yn upon 2 factorial into the value of x minus xn is ph into value of x minus xn minus 1 is p plus 1 into h upon this h factorial is n plus the last term is del raised to n yn upon n factorial h raised to n. The first bracket in the last term is x minus xn, its value is ph into p plus 1 into h up to p plus n minus 1 into h. Hence, yn of x is equal to yn plus this h is cancelled with h in denominator. In third term, the total power of h is 2 in the numerator, so it is cancelled with the h square in the denominator. What remains? P into p plus 1 upon 2 factorial. P into p plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square yn plus last term is c. These are total n terms. These are total n terms, hence the total power of h in the numerator is n. It is cancelled with the h raised to n, which is term in the denominator, and the remaining terms are plus p into p plus 1, p plus 2 up to p plus n minus 1 upon n factorial into del raised to n yn. This is what the Newton's backward interpolation formula. Generally, we use this formula to find the value of y at the end of the backward difference table. consider one example. See, we have to find the value of y of 50, and 50 is the value of x which lies at the end of the table. At the end of the table we get value of x as 50. So we use the backward difference interpolation formula. First we prepare the backward difference table. Values of x and y are in first column. X value is 0, then y value is 7, 10, 18, 20, 32, 30, 48, next 40, 85. This is the initial value of x. This is what x0. Corresponding to x0, this is value of y0. 10 is the value of x1, which is obtained by using the formula xi plus 1 is equal to xi plus h. H is what? Difference between two values of x, consecutive values of x. What is the difference? Difference between 10 and 0 is 10. Difference between 20 and 10 is 10. Similarly, the difference between next pairs are 10. Hence, the value of h is 10. For x1 is equal to 10, 18 is the value of y1. For x2 is equal to 20, y2 is 32. For x3 is equal to 30, y3 is given as 43, and yn is 85, which is corresponding to x4. Here there are 4 values are given, hence the value of n is 4. Initially, we get first order backward difference at the point yn, then del square yn, del cube yn. We will calculate the values in the third column from the end of the table, second column. y4 minus y3 is the value of del y3. y4 minus y3 is the value of del y4. What is del y4 is y4 minus y3. This is what? 85 minus 48. That value is 37. Next we get del y3. That is what? y3 minus y2. Del y3 is 48 minus 32, which is 16. Next we get del y2 is equal to y2 minus y1. 32 minus 18 is 16. 14. Then del y1 is y1 minus y0, that is 18 minus 7, which is 11. In the next column we get second order backward differences. Lastly we get del square y4. Del square y4 is del y4 minus del y3. Del y4 is 37 minus 16 is 21. Next we get del square y3 is del y3 minus del y2. 16 minus 14 is 2. Then del square y2 is del y2 minus del y1. 14 minus 11 is 3. Next, in the next column we get third order backward differences. Del cube y4 is 21 minus 2. Del cube y4 formula is del square y4 minus del square y3. Del square y4 minus del square y3. Del square y4 is 21 minus 2 is 19. Del cube y3 is del square y3 minus del square y2. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. And the fourth order backward difference is given by del raised to 4 y4 is equal to del cube y4 minus del cube y3. Del cube y4 is 19, del cube y3 is minus 1, and their subtraction is 20. These are the values of y4. Then del y4 is 37, del square y4 is 21, del cube y4 is 19 and del raised to 4 y4 is 20. These all values, we require all these values in backward interpolation formula. But for that formula we require the value of p, value of h and value of xn or value of yn. What is yn? Here the values starting from x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. We compare these values with x0, x1, x2 up to xn. So the value of n is 4. In this example, n value is 4. H is xi plus 1 minus xi for 0 less than or equal to I less than or equal to 3. Because 5 values of x are given. Okay. H value is 10. Also, what is the formula for P? X minus xn is equal to pH. Xn is the value of x, is the last value of x, that is 40. Given in table, the last value of x is 40. Consider that value as xn. Therefore, x minus 40 is equal to p into h value is 10. This implies p is equal to x minus 40 upon 10. Now using backward difference interpolation formula, we get yn of x is equal to yn plus the formula was p into del yn plus p into p plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square yn. We have backward differences of order 4 in this table, hence we write next two terms also, p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 upon 3 factorial del cube yn plus p into p plus 1, p plus 2, p plus 3 upon 4 factorial del raised to 4 yn. Here n value is 4, hence we get y4 of x. Therefore y4 of x is equal to value of y4 and n is equal to 4. This value will be value of y4. y4 value is 85 plus value of t is x minus 10 upon x minus 40 upon 10. This is the value of p into del yn value is 37 plus p into p plus 1. P value is x minus 40 upon 10 into p plus 1 is x minus 40 upon 10 plus 1 upon 2 factorial into del square yn. Del square yn value is 21 upon 2 factorial plus p value is x minus 40 upon 10 into p plus 1 is x minus 40 upon 10 plus 1 into x minus 40 upon 10 plus 2 upon 3 factorial and the value of del cube yn, del cube y4 is 19 into 19 upon 3 factorial plus the last term of this equation is x minus 40 upon 10 into x minus 40 upon 10 plus 1 into x minus 40 upon 10 plus 2 into x minus 40 upon 10 plus 3 upon 4 factorial into del raised to 4 yn value is 20 into 20 upon 4 factorial. This is Newton's backward interpolation formula. Now we want the value of y at x is equal to 50. Hence we put x is equal to 50 in this last expression. Then we get y of 50. Substituting x is equal to 50 in this equation, then we get 85 plus first term is x minus 40, but x value is 50. 50 minus 40 is 10 upon 10 into 37 plus x is equal to 50. See this term, 50 minus 40 is 10 upon 10. Next bracket of the same term is 50 minus 40 is 10 upon 10 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial is again 1 plus this term 10 upon 10 into 2, only the third term will be different. 50 minus 40 is 10, 10 upon 10 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3 into 3 into the multiple is same, 19 upon 3 factorial means into 19 upon 6 plus last term is 10 upon 10 into 2 into 3 into, we are using x is equal to 50, 50 minus 40 is 10, 10 by 10 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 into 20 upon 4 factorial is 24, which is equal to, after this calculation we get this value as 182. This is what the value of y of 50. Hence first we have constructed backward difference table. Then we will use the values of y4, del y4, del square y4, del cube y4 and del raised to 4 y4 in Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. This is what the Newton's backward difference interpolation formula after calculation. Again we want the value of y at the point x is equal to 50. That x is equal to 50 lies at the end of the given table. Hence we use backward difference table and backward difference interpolation formula. In this backward difference interpolation formula, put x is equal to 50, then we get the required value as y of 50, which is 182. Okay. Thank you.